my school shoes.
Rockin' in my school shoes?
Yes.
Alrighty. Here comes Pete, strolling down the street, rocking red shoes on his 4 furry feet. Pete is going to school, and he sings this song. I'm rockin' in my school shoes. I'm rockin' in my school shoes. I'm rockin' in my school shoes. Pete is sitting at his desk when his teacher says, "Come on, Pete, down that hall to a room with books on every wall." Where is Pete going?
The library.
Pete has never been to the library before. Does Pete worry? Hey, does Pete worry? Goodness, no. He finds his favorite book and sings his song. I'm reading in my school shoes. I'm reading in my school shoes. I'm reading in my school shoes. Check out Pete. Come here, you can't see the book. Sit up. Check out Pete. He's ready to eat in a big noisy room with tables and seats. Where is Pete? It can be loud and busy in the lunchroom. Does Pete worry? Goodness, no. He sits down with his friends and sings his song. I'm eating in my school shoes. I'm eating in my school shoes. I'm eating in my school shoes. Next page. Pete and his friends are playing outside on a green grassy field with swings and tall slides. Where is Pete? Yes, he is. Where is he at? The playground. Kids are running in every direction. Does Pete worry? Goodness, no. He slides and swings and sings his song. I'm playing in my school shoes. I'm playing in my school shoes. I'm playing in my school shoes. All day long, Pete sings his song. I'm singing in my school shoes. I'm painting in my school shoes. I'm adding in my school shoes. I'm writing in my school shoes. When school is done, Pete rides the bus home. Pete's mom asks him, "What did you do at school today?" And Pete says,
I was rocking in my school shoes. I was rocking in my school shoes.
I was rocking in my school shoes. And I will do it again tomorrow. Because it's all good. The end. Very good, Kaylin. Is Pete the cat your favorite?
Yes.
Yeah.
And that one.
That's the same one, baby. This just goes on top.
Oh, yeah.
And give Daddy kisses and cuddles.